Hi, and welcome to this review of how to use PubMatic's slot mapping feature. This video is a companion to our broader inventory series where we review how to set up your sites and tags as well as other features. You can access the videos in the description below. By using slot mappings, you enable processing of your inventory from header bidding wrappers such as Prebid, Amazon TAM, Google OpenBid, and others, while also introducing access to performance metrics, PPM targeting criteria, and site-level block lists. In this video, we will cover setting up the Prebid wrapper using slot mapping templates, as well as how you can access current mappings to update existing entries. Let's start by opening the slot mapping configuration page. The page itself is pretty straightforward, listing information about usage and features. In the event you are using the default site and ad tech entries created with your account setup, there's no need to use slot mappings, since they will work automatically. To properly configure your slot mappings, you need to ensure your site and ad tag entries are set up and active. You can review the sites, tags, and bulk upload videos linked in the description if you do need a refresher. Click the Download Slot Mapping template to pull a fresh copy so that we can begin populating our slot entries. Once downloaded, open the template, which contains approximately 6 columns, each designating an entry you need to fill in to properly upload your slot mappings. For our new entry, we will be using a site called myshop.com, which we've used in our previous inventory overview videos. Let us take that information now and begin populating our slot mapping template. For PubMatic site ID, we will use 716068, which we can copy from the Site and Apps UI. We can continue this process for the remaining entries. For ad tag ID, we will use 2934719, which we will copy from the Ad Tags tab. Alternatively, if you are bulk uploading a set of slot mapping entries, we recommend you pull down the All Ad Tags report. The report, which is available for download in the Sites, Apps, and Ad Tags page, lists all of the account ad tag IDs as well as their associated site IDs. So in the event you want to quickly download both values in a single document, you can locate that information here. Next, we have the slot name. As a publisher, you can use any slot name that you'd like. Simply place that information into the field. Currently, we do not support the use of special characters or empty spaces, but you can certainly use an underscore if you'd like. In the event you do not supply a slot name, PubMatic will use the ad tag ID as the slot name, as it can reduce the time needed for troubleshooting potential issues. By using a numerical value, we eliminate variations in case sensitivity, which makes locating the slot name simpler. It is important to note, when setting up your slot mapping entries, that the PubMatic slot name value is commonly referred to as the ad slot value in Prebid. So if you happen to come across this naming convention, just be aware that the slot name and ad slot values are the same. Moving forward, we will place the PubMatic size, which will be 300 by 250. Regarding the floor, if you wish to not activate an actual floor value, you can place 0 in the column. Otherwise, you can input any floor value you want. In this case, I want a minimum floor, so I will be using 0.01. Finally, Since this is a new slot mapping, we will designate the status as new. In the event you would like to remove your entry from the platform, you would use the delete value. Save the template and navigate back to the platform to upload your slot mappings. Once completed, you'll see the Uploaded Successfully dialog. That's all there is to it. If you would like to double-check your upload, you can always click the Download Slot Mappings button to pull in your most recent data. Once downloaded, you can open it up in Excel and your recent edits should display. In the event you need to modify an entry, you can change the value in the sheet. For instance, if we wanted to change the floor from 1 cent to 2 cents, then we would update that information and confirm the status is set to new. As mentioned earlier, you can use PubMatic's slot mapping feature with several wrapper solutions. We recommend visiting our slot mapping community portal to review documentation on integrating other supported wrapper solutions. We hope you have a better understanding of how to utilize the slot mapping feature. Please take a moment to review the video description for useful information and content. If you have a question you'd like to ask, do not hesitate to contact your account manager who can assist you. Thank you for choosing PubMatic, and have a great day.